the sun. It's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to.
Well, hello my healthy beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and the eyes continue to be messed up. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had a sty, turned into the size of an egg, and now I got a lower sty, which called for antibiotics basically. And that's why we have the glasses, but yeah, it looks rough. Not allowed to wear makeup, so we have some Weleda lotion to make your face nice and shiny and hydrated, and lip gloss. But anyways, as you can tell, it is Monday, and it's hectic around here. It is actually very, very hot today. I think it's 81 degrees, but it feels like much hotter out in the backyard. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a little splash pad oasis so that I can fold some laundry outside while the kids play in the splash pad. So that is going to be our evening because it's already 1 o'clock. LJ just woke up like 30 minutes ago. That girl likes to wake up in the middle of the night at like 4 o'clock, stays awake for 2 hours, and then sleeps till like 12. Go figure. So she's eating her breakfast now, and we're gonna get some bathing suits on and do a little splash pad folding laundry session outside. To make that happen, we have to get to this table that's in the back outside. It's a foldable table that I use for parties. So I wanna make it permanently outside because we do have a dining table. It's just in our garage because it's way too big from our house. So this is a little bit smaller. We'll be able to eat outside. And I have the cutest tablecloth to go with it that is 4th of July themed, which is the next holiday coming up basically. But this one is going to replace it, so it's gonna be my charging station. I need to basically clear this up and get this table outside. Jugs are ridiculous. They drive me crazy. They forgot to take them. They text me so late that I didn't get a chance to take out the empty ones. And now I have like a zillion jugs and it's so frustrating. Wow, that looks so bad. I don't know what else to do with that, you guys. I have nowhere to put these jugs. I don't want them under my desk because I'm gonna be placing the IKEA drawers hopefully right here or right there, somewhere around here. And all this is supposed to go in that drawer because I literally have nowhere to put my stuff. This is like all my hair products. I wanna keep it down here so that I can fix myself up. And then I have these jugs that look like crap. So let me know if you guys have an idea of how to store it, how to hide them. I don't know. It's nuts. All right, so the plan is to put the table right there, and then we're gonna do the splash pad on the other side.
Slipping out the back door. But it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for.
Here it comes!
know I'll be there in a hurry.
So we've got our table in. The plan is to move this little toy a little further that way, and that way we can have kind of like a picnic area. This part stays pretty shaded most of the time, so we can have like snacks out here. We can even eat dinner. Our backyard is screened in, so it's nice. No mosquitoes can get us in the evening. And I just figured this would be a good opportunity for us to just take advantage of the outdoors.
In the sun, it's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry. In the sun, it's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
We finished. Oh yeah. We are back inside, but I'm not gonna lie, my eye hurts a lot. I have the massive headache. It's like full of that ointment. I can't really see, which is contributing more to the headache. And I'm not being a very great mom today. We're gonna be eating leftover pizza for lunch. Hopefully tonight I'll feel better, but sometimes you're just gonna have these mom moments. The reality is I'm not feeling my best, like at all. So it is what it is. We're warming up pizza as well as some leftover French fries from takeout on Saturday. So, mom of the year. Another note, I do want to give you guys an update. The plants are looking good, except I'm pretty sure I did this completely wrong based on some videos that I saw afterwards. These, I think I have to transplant like now because the sun kind of toasts the roots and they're not really going in. This one is going in. This one, it completely died. I actually had to pull it and throw it away because it was growing. It was the first one to grow, but it grew out instead of going downward. This one looks really good. This is a pepper. It seems like small seeds do way better than the big ones. The big ones have a really hard time in here. Same thing with my green beans. Like, look at this green bean. I think it needs to go in dirt. The one in the back, way back there, is looking good. But same thing, see? I have to place it in the dirt, I think. This is a better view of it. You can see the roots are just really exposed, but the leaves are coming through. And then over here, my little peppers, these are small. This one looks good. So I think the smaller ones tend to do better than the big zucchinis and things like that. It's a learning process though. The kids have been sleeping and I finally organized the little desk as well as the kitchen, the dining table, the living room, everything. The splash pad tired them out so much that they're still sleeping and it's about to be 7 o'clock. I should probably wake them up, but I was able to do a lot and sometimes you just need to let them sleep so that I can catch up on life. But I'm really excited. Look at that. It's actually organized. I found this basket as well that I had floating around and I went ahead and put my hair stuff. These are the fans that we use when we go to the parks. This is a pot that I have to transplant some stuff into, and these are all Amazon returns. I had bought these. These are like bean bags to put stuffed animals in because I'm so over picking them up, but this color just I don't know. I showed it to my husband. He's like, they look like beach chair colors. And he's not wrong. If you've been to a pool or in Florida, these are the colors of beach chairs. They just, yeah, no. I might change them and get gray instead. And this is the desk with the horrendous jugs. But it looks good there. Now I can just charge everything right there. I also made dinner. We're gonna be having some rice and chicken. And I'm going to also do some sweet potatoes.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same.
All right, I think they're done. Oh, they're smelling a little burnt, but yeah, look at them. They look delicious. Only a few got a little toasty. Caught them just on time.
Things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day